Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is T.P. Kumar Jeffrey. We are from Group 6, and as for today, we are going to discuss regarding the topics that we have been given, which is the Total Quality Management or TQM. It serves as a very important tool for business in order to achieve higher efficiency and effectiveness while maximizing outputs and at the same time reducing costs. So without further ado, we are going to jump into the introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Pang Yang and this is my friend So Ting Kai. We will entrust about the introduction part. I will entrust the first part of introduction. Total quality management is a management approach that emphasizes continuous improvement in all aspects of an organization of operations. Total quality management originated in 1950 and gained performance in 1980 and 1990. There are three principles of total quality management, which is customer focus. They can meeting or exceeding the customer's expectation. The second one is continuous improvement, which is ongoing efforts to improve product, service, and process. That is the employees improvement, which is engaging employees in all levels to contribute the quality. Next is the benefits of total quality management. The first is improve the product and service quality. Second is increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. And third is higher efficiency and reduce the cost. Next, we will move to my friend So Ting Kai.
And now I will present the TQM tools, which are Pareto principle, scatter plot, control chart, and flow chart. Pareto principle is used to compare before and after situation and decide where to apply initial effort for measurement effect. For the scatter plot, it is used to define the area of relationship between two variables. For the control chart, it is enable the control of distribution of variation rather than adapting to control each individual variation. And for the last thought is flow chart. Flow chart is enable the modeling of process and decision and develop a common understanding of a process by those involved.
Now, for the next point, I would like to discuss the rational use of the TQM. The first point is that it improves the overall business efficiency and effectiveness. Now, I'm going to discuss what are the efficiency and the effectiveness. Efficiency refers to doing things right. In other words, making the most of the available resources very efficiently and maximizing profit. Now, effectiveness, on the other hand, it refers to doing right things. This includes the quality from the result of the company. Now, the organization can set higher key performance indicator goals to achieve effectiveness and reduce costs. The last point that I would like to add is it provides long-term competitiveness. Through TQM, the company can stay competitive to satisfy customer needs in a timely manner. Another point is that business can implement continuous improvement and continuous assessment to stay competitive by identifying gaps in the process in order to stay competitive.
The next is process-centered approach. Total quality management emphasizes the importance of analyzing, improving, and identifying process to enhance overall quality. Next is data-driven decision-making. Total quality management relies on data and analysis to make informed decision. That's all for rationale of total quality management.
Our part is going to be the criticism of the TQM. My name is Muhammad Taufiq Ramlan and
my name is Ang Yima.
So the first part is I'm going to discuss about the downside of the TQM. So the first downside is that the TQM required a deep commitment. All highest management need to be work together as a team to make this method successfully. All the highest management, medium management, and the operator need to be work together as a team to make this method successfully. It's also takes years to show the successfully the result of this method. So this is the long-term method and not the short-term. So this method is suitable to be the the well-established company and not for the short-term company.
So for the third criticism is resource intensive. Implementing TQM can be expensive and time consuming, requiring significant financial investment and human resources, which smaller companies may find challenging. Last, rigidity in processes. TQM emphasizes the standardization processes to reduce variability and defects. While this can improve quality, it may limit an organization's ability to quickly adapt to changing market conditions or customer demands.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for our part, we'll be discuss about the case study. The case study that will be discussed is from us, which is my name is Muhammad Ashraf.
And my name is Nur Iman Shauki.
Alright. So the case study that we found or we searched is from the book Dr. Kiran and about the TQM and case studies. So the case study sounded like we have to think about the problem in our organization, and if we want to use a different organization, perhaps a client, you can. We have to create a fishbone diagram to help determine how you might get the rest of the problem. Make sure to use multiple branches and sub-branches to help you fully investigate the issue. So this case study will be answered from us, the both of us, and the first detail or the first effect will be discussed by Noriman.
Okay, for the next part is about start with the fish diagram fishbone, and which is the problem is start with bad pizza crust. Okay, for the first causes is because of the raw material. It is because of poor quality of flour, and then poor quality of the water, and next for poor quality of other ingredient, and lastly is because of poor storage facilities. And other than that, it is because of poor technique, which is consists of poor kneading, over resting time and over tossing. And for the other issues is about chef issues. It is because of it has the inexperienced chef, lack of training, and that is because of the careless of their attitude, which is it can consist about the quality consequence.
So after the three of the fishbone diagram, which is the effects, next we move to the fourth effects. The first one is, the fourth one is the other problems, and it has been categorized to two sections, which is the first section is temperature issues and baking time issues. Well, the first section is temperature issues, can be divided as three, which is the first one is calibration problems, adjustment issues, and broken regulator. And next is baking time issues. The baking time issues can be categorized as three as well. The first one is conveyor speed, which can be too fast or too slow. And the second one, wrong settings. And the third one is untimely unloading of pizza. Well, the last of effects of the bad pizza crust is delivery issues. It can be categorized as two as well, which is the first one is poor packaging and delivery delays. And after we list down the effects, which is the bad pizza crust. So I think that is the answer for the case studies from us, and I think that is all.
And that is from us. Thank you.
So that's all from us. Thank you. Bye.